Hello, and welcome to the Lausanne School of Engineering. As you plan for your journey to university, you're keen to learn more about Lausanne School. We understand. We were in your shoes not too long ago. We invite you to take this tour with us, a tour of the place we call home. Let's start at the Bergeron Center, aka the Berge, which is one of our student, teaching, and research spaces. As a student, you'll be taking classes all across campus. As a Lausanne student, there are a few key spaces you'll visit. This is the Student Welcome and Support Center, the one-stop spot for all Lausanne students. Here, our academic advisors will guide you with your academic journey, your courses, degree requirements, student life. We also have an amazing co-op team to help you develop your portfolio and land that first co-op position. While academics are a priority, most of us are involved with students' lives through student clubs, initiatives, sports, and more. This is where a number of our student clubs are housed: Civil Engineers of Lausanne, Robotics Society, Atmospheric Science Club, Women in Science and Engineering, CS Hub, Lausanne Media Group, Mechanical Engineering Club. From Engineering Society to Engineers Without Borders, you're sure to find a club to be engaged in. Now for our prototyping, teaching, and research spaces. This is the Sandbox, one of my favorite spaces. A collaborative space for you to create, prototype, and work on projects. It's a big area made for students. There's plenty of tables which are on wheels to easily reconfigure the space. There's couches for you to lounge and work on, and breakout rooms with whiteboard walls for you and your classmates to ideate and brainstorm. This is the prototyping lab, which houses all of our 3D printers. We have sandbox gurus who are experts in using these pieces of equipment. The gurus are here to support you as you bring your ideas to life. The gurus are usually upper year students within Lausanne. Whether you've never used a 3D printer in your life or you're an advanced maker/tinkerer, the gurus are there to help you on your maker journey every step of the way.
And now we get to the machine shop. The machine shop is where you get to build anything you can imagine, from tiny screws to full-size prototypes. It has classic drills, lathes, and mills, complemented by multi-axis CNC machines. It is open to all Lausanne students once they've completed machine shop training, and our mechanical engineering students also take classes in the shop. On the same floor is the high bay structural slab. This is a 3-storied building inside of the building. This lab is primarily used as lab spaces and class spaces for civil engineering students, and they attend some of their courses which include structural testing in their second and third years of study. This space is also used by some of our research students during their undergraduate research program or master's and PhD students. This lab has full concrete mixture and is almost like a construction site. Moving outside of the Bergeron building, we get to the William Small Center. This is the place where you get your YU card at. The Computing Commons houses all of our first-year engineering and comp-sci labs. Most of your first-year computer science and computer security labs are also going to be hosted in these spaces. Courses such as robotics and web programming are taught in some of these classes. Moving on to the third floor of the Bergeron Center, we get to the Smart Grid Lab. The lab is a collection of advanced hardware and software. It provides undergraduate and graduate students with hands-on experience in several topics of modern power engineering, including energy conversion, power electronics, transmission, and distribution systems. The Smart Grid Lab is equipped with an advanced commercial called the SCADA system. Students can set up a complete smart power grid that models things like a power plant, renewable energy generation, for example. Moving further along the campus, we get to York Lanes. As we step out of the academic environment, we start to look at our other spotlight locations on campus. York Lanes is the place for most food options at York University, with most of them accepting your meal plan. York Lanes also has many different useful stops, such as a medical clinic, an optician, a dentist, and even our own grocery store. It also has a great area for you and your friends to eat, study, or just catch up. Most importantly, it has the York University bookstore, where you can pick up all your textbooks and any other stuff you may need. Moving over to the Tate Mackenzie Fitness Center. Tate Mackenzie is the place to go to cover all your athletics needs. The gym membership is only $15 for the whole year. You can also participate in many activities run by the amazing gym staff and even support your fellow varsity Lions. York even gives out free food and merch at select games. So whether you like hitting the gym or want to support the Lions family, Tate Mackenzie is the place to be. This concludes our virtual tour. I hope you folks were able to learn a few things despite now meeting us in person.
Thank you for joining this tour of our home. LaSalle and the York University campus provide a fun and innovative space, and we're excited for you to eventually explore and enjoy it for yourselves.